So people asking question call in a particular video, why using for end screen and cards? What are the purpose of using for end screen and cards? So in end screen, what are the parameters are there? In a cards, what are the parameters are there? What are the purpose of using for cards and your end screen? First of all, you can select any one video. So that is called, we can go for video manager. In this one, I can select any particular video. So just I can particular video I'm selecting here. In this video, for accept 100% ratio on your particular video, end screen or cards will be must and should will be important. End screen purpose for the four reason and end screen we can add only for four parameter. We can use element, four element will be adding on your particular end screen. That is already done by 3. So first of all, what are the parameter we can add by your end screen? In this parameter, first one adding by video or playlist means we can come into end screen, we can show refer by the another video. Refer by the another video means for watch for another video. So that is called video or playlist. Second one, subscribe my channel like this. Subscribe my channel. Third one, you can promote your video other YouTube channel. Other YouTube channel. Fourth one, we can promote your website URLs. We can promote your website URL. First one we can promote by the video for referral videos or referral playlist. This playlist for digital marketing training. This playlist for the health training. This playlist will be anything. Particular one video. This video will be so and so health tip. This video will be recipes. This video will be something. And here is a question. Sir, can I promote other YouTube channel video also? Yes. Suppose if you're searching for video, I can select this video link. Come into your then create, choose video thing, just click and add your element. This is not my YouTube channel video, other YouTube channel video. Just scroll down, click for save. So how much taken will be? Just copy the YouTube URL video link and paste on your end screen option. This is not my YouTube video. This is the other YouTube video I'm adding for your video. Now go to the cards. In cards, I'm adding for other video. This is called other video option. Select this video. Go to cards option. Cards also we are adding for five cards we can add, but the category will be 4. The 4 will be same as this: video or playlist, channel creation, and poll creation link. In cards and in this screen, one different. Here we can create by poll also. Poll will be multiple choice. So here again particular video. See, this is not my video. We can click for promote. So this is called, we can use this option. How will be paying this video? Just go to this video. The video will display will be 2 areas. One is called card. A video above will showing for I symbol, that is a card. So once card will be showing here, just here will be showing ad. Just skip. So see this here. This is my channel video. No, other channel video you can promote for through your YouTube channel video. Next is your. This is called your cards. Next one, cards will be done. So where your ad will be displayed? Go to end screen. See this one. When click, they go into for other channel. This is my video. They go into for which channel? My 3 News channel. So this is the purpose of using for end screen. End screen and cards only for one description. One option change. End screen will be subscription and cards will be create a poll, that is called multiple choice. Remain all will be same. Which one? You can promote one channel to another channel and create your video playlist, other video playlist. Third will be link with your website option. This is the purpose of using end screen and cards. This will be one YouTube channel to another YouTube channel integration for earning and views purpose.